Hello, my dear friends. This is my latest video. So in this video, I would like to show you a short video clip that I have got shot.
Whatever we saw in phase 1 was never the way in which the Honorable Chief Minister had stated so.
Sir, it's sad that the Honourable Member is misleading the House completely. And I can completely say that it's a lie, what he's saying, sir.
If amendment to the Constitution can be brought from time to time, why not? Review of MOU cannot. There must be something behind. Please, sir.
Sir, I respect the sentiments of the Honourable Member. But I dare to ask him, can you name the 12 areas of differences for me if you are so concerned about it? Please name them. Please name the areas of differences and tell me, sir, how many times has he visited these areas of differences and these villages and he's met the people? Please tell us.
Thank you.
Don't read out. Don't read out.
Yes. No.
Say by memory.
I'm not going to read. And I'm not going to spell out. That is your duty bomb. That is your duty bomb. And you feel at very first place without taking a confidence for all stakeholders. That's why this issue came into...
How can you say that?
Please
ask
Deputy Chief Minister, sir. Respected Deputy Chief Minister.
Please
you yourself, you have elected
don't create
by saying that not a single inch will go to Assam.
Ask question.
Didn't you?
Mr. Speaker, sir, he has to ask the question.
Deputy Chief Minister, sir. Respected
He has to ask the question. Don't be
You
emotional.
have said that
Don't
the
be emotional.
land will not go to Assam.
Don't be emotional. Don't
Adelbert,
be emotional.
Deputy Chief Minister, please.
Emotional because of
Please
race,
take a seat.
not because of you. You are preaching
Hello.
and you never practice.
Please take a seat, please.
You
Please
keep on
take a seat.
preaching and
Please.
never practice.
Please
That's
take a
why
seat.
you're going to be emotional.
Please take a seat.
Why? Being emotional
Please take a seat.
is
Please
a
take a seat.
criminal.
Please take a seat.
It's a
Please.
sin.
I'm speaking right now in English directly to you, Mr. Konrad, that I do not want you to be the Chief Minister of Meghalaya ever again, as well as Mr. Preston to be the Deputy Chief Minister. You have led the young generations into darkness, not to the light. This is my clear message.